Good morning, everyone. You should brace yourself because you're going to see me for the first time without makeup. It is currently 5:06 a.m. and I'm gonna try to vlog this weekend because we are going on our last camping trip of the summer. I'm not a morning person, in case you guys have figured that out.
Are you ready to go camping? Yeah. Ow. This is Ranger. He's a chocolate lab and he's just a puppy. He's only a year old. He's very excited. He gets very nervous we're gonna leave without him.
Does anyone else's dog freak out every time you're gonna leave? If so, leave a comment down below.
And we're off. You ready? Is you ready? Yeah.
First, we're gonna make a stop at Starbucks so I can get my pumpkin spice latte. We're getting up so early. And then get some ice for the cooler and all that kind of stuff. Can I get a grande pumpkin spice latte, please?
Pumpkin spice hot?
Yes, please.
Thank you so much.
Thank
Have
you.
a great one.
You too. Now we are officially on our way, since I have my first pumpkin spice latte of the season. That's baby steps for me, guys, because I actually have quite a problem. So the fact that the PSLs have been out for almost 3 weeks now, and this is my first one, progress in my PSL addiction. All right, time for that first sip. This is always so scary to do when we're driving, especially when my fiance is driving. Exactly what I'm talking about. Oh wow, fall is here. Hello pumpkins. Hello spooky ghosts. Hello hay rides. I'm ready.
She drive me crazy. She drive me crazy. Wanna take her for a ride on a PJ plane. Wanna take her for a ride on a PJ plane.
Currently watching Goblet of Fire on my phone to pass the time.
I wanna hold her. I wanna kiss her. I wanna hold her. I wanna kiss her.
Why are you so concerned? Everything's gonna be okay. We're going camping. Yeah.
Wanna kiss her. I wanna hold her. I wanna kiss her.
Someone decided to crawl up in the front seat with me. Because we're being very needy today, aren't we? Yes, very needy.
As you can see, we are finally in the desert, which means we're getting close to the sand dunes. We're here. It was a very long drive, but now we're gonna get dressed and we're gonna go ride some quads and dirt bikes in the dunes. It's gonna be fun.
I get to wear my brand new helmet too. Isn't it pretty? Hi, buddies. You having a good time?
Ready to go. Got my new helmet on. Let's ride. We just got back from our ride. Sorry, it's hard for me to film. Oh, hello helmet hair. It's hard for me to film because I don't have a GoPro or anything like that, but maybe I can see if my fiance can take some videos of me riding around. Anyways, as you see, it is not that sunny anymore. The clouds have set in, and it might rain. I thought I saw some lightning earlier, but I don't know, I guess we'll see. We have come to the end of the day. We're in the camper, about to go to bed. Currently reading Harry Potter and the Order of the Phoenix before I go to bed. And tomorrow we get to do it all again. Did you have fun today, hon? Mm-hmm. Good. He's very shy, just so you guys know, so he'll only show himself when he wants to, when he's ready. Good morning, everyone. It is 6:30 a.m. Slept pretty good. It's a little cold this morning. The dirt bike decided to zoom on by at 2 a.m. and that was really annoying. But besides that, we slept pretty good. It is now day 2. I'm gonna try to get up. My fiance and the dog are already up, so they always get up so early. They're morning people. I'm gonna get up, have some breakfast, and try to go for another ride before we have to leave and go back home. The window's kind of dirty. I don't know if you can see, but it's a beautiful sunrise this morning. Looks like it's gonna be a gorgeous day. I'm excited. I'm hearing people start to get up, but I'm so comfortable and warm under the blankets. I know it's gonna be cold outside. To get up or not to get up? That is the question.
See that orange dot there? That's my fiance. He's taking the dog for a walk before all the quads and dirt bikes start riding around, since it's still early. Gosh, it's such a beautiful morning. Look at that. It's such a beautiful morning. Sorry, the window is so dirty. Here they come. There's my boys. Hi.
I accidentally fell back asleep for another hour. Now I'm getting up because the day is wasting away.
Ranger, are you human? Look at you being a big boy sitting in the camping chair all by yourself.
It is so cold this morning, but we're eating breakfast. We're having a breakfast scramble. It's very delicious. My mother-in-law made it, and it's really, really good. It's hitting the spot on this cold morning. We got some eggs and potatoes and sausage and lots of cheese. You can't go wrong with lots and lots of cheese and sausage. It's good breakfast, good breakfast. Give us energy for the day. Gonna wear my Luna Lovegood shirt under my riding gear.
This is Little Red, or Red as I like to call her,
For short.
Isn't she a beauty? I love my girl. I love Red.
always struggled with hills, so this is quite an accomplishment for me. I'm very proud. Kiss. Love you.
Love you too.
Let's ride. Let's roll. Keep on going. Going, 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 going. See those power lines? Way over there. That's where our campsite is. That's where we need to go. We are back. It is super, super windy. So I've decided to leave my helmet on because I don't want sand in my eyes. So yeah, I'm just gonna leave my helmet on. After loading up in the sandstorm, we are ready to go home. I think my cheeks got a little sunburned, but that's okay. We had fun, huh, Ranger? Huh, Ranger? Did we have fun?
Mustard.
Thanks, we need those for the sandwiches. Excuse you. These are for the sandwiches, not for you. Silly dog. All right, time to go home. Long drive ahead of us.